English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Connect, increase, research. Connect. Connect is a verb. B1 learners usually know connect. At B1, to connect means to join one thing to another. Here are some examples. Can I connect to your Wi-Fi? According to the timetable, the bus connects with the train. Has the printer been connected to the network yet? Increase. Increase is a verb. B1 learners usually know increase. At B1, to increase is to get bigger or make something bigger in amount or size. Here are some examples. If the children are good, she increases their pocket money. While the cost of living increased, our salaries remained the same. For this experiment, you need to increase the temperature gradually. Research. Research is a noun. B1 learners usually know research. At B1, research is the result when a person studies something in detail. Here are some examples. I have done some research in this area. The medical research took a very long time. They are doing some research into the subject. Now write some of your own sentences with connect, increase and research. Download the free B1 workbook from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.